Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix critical process died or blue screen error on Windows 10 and Windows 11. You might be getting a blue screen on computer that says your PC ran into a problem and need to restart. It can occur if any problem causes Windows to shut down or restart unexpectedly to protect itself from data loss, so there can be two different scenarios. Let's see one by one. First one, if you are on desktop home screen and if you can see all the features of your Windows, then what you have to do is go to Settings and then click on System Settings. Now you will see Troubleshoot option over there. Select it, then choose Other Troubleshooters. Here you will see Windows Update Troubleshoot. Click on Run. Now it will detect the problems in the system and fix it automatically. Now, in case if you are not able to come to your desktop home screen and not able to use any feature, then you need to press and hold the power button until the computer gets shut down. And once it gets shut down, you have to restart again by pressing the power button. And after that, as soon as you see the logo of Windows on your screen again, you have to press and hold the power button to force shutdown. And now, again, when you will restart your PC, it will be coming up with the advanced options, and you will be getting this screen where you will see all the advanced options, all right? In case if you are not able to see these options, make sure you follow all the instructions properly. So once you come up here, you need to click on Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. And now, first you have to try by clicking on Startup Repair. So click on Startup Repair and see that if this fixed the issue, and if not, then again, you have to come to the same Advanced Options and select Command Prompt. The black window will be open up. Now here you need to run some commands that you will be getting in the description and even at the bottom of the video. So the first command will be boot rex space /fix mbr. Enter this command, and then you have to type boot direct space /fix boot again and hit enter. Now if you get access is denied, no problem here. You can go with this next command. Type bootsect space /nt60 space sys. Enter the command. And after that, you have to type boot rec space /fix boot. Hit enter. And the next one will be boot rec space /rebuild. Hit enter again. And now you have to type sfc space /scan. Now hit enter. This command will be taking some time. Now it will scan the system for integrity violation. Wait until it's done. Once done, the last command will be chkdsk space C and then the colon sign. Now hit enter, and this will also take some time. And then finally, you need to restart your computer. All right, so now you can close the command prompt and then click on continue. So now what will happen, that if there was any issue with the disk or any hard drive issues, it will be resolved. If this worked for you guys, please consider subscribing to the channel, like the video. And still, if you have any problem, any question, let me know in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye.